Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades, and let's get right into it because Bitcoin got a bit of a nice bounce today along with the traditional markets, especially near the end of the day when Nvidia reported earnings and gapped up in the after hours to new all-time highs, reaching a price of over $525 I believe in the after hours. So again, 525 is just right around this area right here. So we'll be looking to see if it opens at this level higher, opens at this level, or if it even goes higher. So I do have this upsloping trend line. We'll have to see if it actually tags it as resistance and holds it. We very well could wake up, right? We do have the Jackson Hole meeting day one tomorrow, but overall let's just focus on Bitcoin right now, and we'll take a look at where it could be headed, because I have been announcing in the Discord many times already that we could be getting ready for a bounce, as we've been seeing some heavy buying coming in on the 4-hour time frame on wave edge, and that's exactly what the whales were doing. They were starting to accumulate. You are starting to see a bunch of short positions starting to be liquidated already, and we'll have to see if this daily time frame green cross is going to play out. And we actually have another green cross that just popped up on this new daily candle right here, and oh, look at that, a nice amount of buying coming out as well. So again, this is all very bullish at the moment. I think it's quite good that we're seeing some buying here. It very well could propel us to back up to 30k and stuff like that, but we have a lot of resistance levels to clear now on Bitcoin. We're not out of the woods. If we take a look at this chart here, we can see that 28,000 is going to be a good amount of resistance, as it was holding as support for a very long time, and we're actually trying to get back above, what's this level right here, 26,600 at the moment, and it has proven to be resistance, and we just wicked above it now, and now we're getting rejected again. But we'll have to see if it can clear above this level. If you get above this level, the next major resistance is going to be right here, right around 28,700, and then after that you want to get over 30k. Once you get over 30k, then we can start to talk about higher prices. But for the time being, let's take it step by step, level by level. Okay, so right now Bitcoin, taking a look on the daily time frame on Market Cipher, is looking quite bullish with a -5 and a 24. It is potentially starting to bottom out here, and we could very well get a big bounce, but we need the stock market to really break these previous highs and make a new all-time high, or sorry, a new local high, and invalidate the bearish scenario. And we need to keep pumping towards the upside, which we very well could, because we are quite oversold right now. We have Nvidia giving us a nice bullish catalyst, and we really need Jerome Powell to come in dovish if you guys want to see more upside. If he comes in hawkish, then he could very well wipe out this entire idea of a soft landing, and maybe sorry, not a soft landing, of rate cuts. And then the 2-year could very well spike higher. And we saw how much the market panicked the other day with the 2-year actually breaking above 5% and closing there. So thank God we got a reversal today, so the market's calmed down. Moving on, let's just take a look at the weekly time frame on Bitcoin. So at the moment we have a 16 and a -5 and a red cross here. So again, it's looking not that great on the weekly time frame. We still have some green money flow, although it is dwindling, so please keep that into account. On the 4-hour time frame, we're still in that red money flow, but we are slowly recovering it, and I think we found a bottom at the moment. We tagged the low right around 25,000 on some charts here. Actually, if we head over to this chart, we can see that we tagged the lows right around 25,000, and we've actually held it as support again as we retested it the other day. Okay, and if we take a look here, maybe at the 1-hour time frame, yeah, we are starting to see a little bit of selling right into the end of the day as well. So again, this is the 1-hour time frame. I usually don't use it that much, but I like to refer my trades on wave edge on the larger time frames, like the 4-hour, 12-hour, and the daily time frame. So overall, it looks like we could be getting a nice little bounce here, although we need to keep in mind that there is going to be a lot of resistances right around this level. Okay, moving on. Let's take a look at the SPY here, and we'll take a look at the NASDAQ. So the SPY, again, getting a very nice double bottom. There's already some people starting to talk about potential head and shoulders here. We'll have to see if it keeps moving up towards the upside and closes back above 4,500, then I'm pretty sure that we're probably going to keep going, and it very well could end the year at a new, or maybe back up to back up to the all-time highs, If not, you know, you're gonna make maybe some even new all-time highs. But if we make a lower high and we fail to clear 4,600 on the S&P 500, then in my opinion, you're going to start stepping down towards the downside. And this is a scenario that I've been looking at on a market cipher using Elliott wave as well. So if you guys take a look at the SPY here on the daily time frame, there is this bullish scenario, right, where this is a wave 4 pullback, and we're going to get a final leg towards the upside, which would be wave 5, right? And it's looking like that at the moment. You got a green dot confirming a bottom here, and then on top of that, you still got a lot of green money flow. The weekly pattern is also showing us going to potentially 505 before actually topping out. And then if you look at the monthly, however, now this is the pattern that's really concerning for the market, is that this is actually a B wave, right? A B wave, and then we are going to get a C wave towards the downside, which could lead to catastrophic sell-off. Down, you could be down 45% or as low as 328, although that's going to be taking out the lows. And then the Qs are really going to sell off even harder here. And again, the Qs on this monthly chart is showing another all-time high, but it's probably going to follow the SPY. Wherever the SPY goes, the Qs and tech is going to do the same thing. And on the daily time frames, that's what we're looking at right now. We're going to be looking to see if this is going to end up being a B wave bounce, and if we top out and we're unable to clear the previous all-time high, then that's going to be your signal to get into short positions, or at least potentially exit your long positions and take profits on them, and then sit on some cash and just wait until we find our bottom, which could be back down to 420 on the SPY if we find some major support there, because it was major resistance. So I expect us, if this is going to be a drop back down into a C wave, then I'm going to be looking right around 420. After that, we could get another bounce and then another failed move towards the upside, and then we can get a very big leg down towards the downside in a wave 3 move. But again, we'll take it step by step, right? We have nothing set in stone yet. We're still moving up towards the upside. We're still in this B wave bounce, or at least this wave 5 towards the upside. All right. So again, those are your bullish and your bearish scenarios for the S&P 500, and Bitcoin will most likely follow that. And especially if the dollar keeps moving higher and yields keep moving higher, then the markets and everything else is going to start to roll over. But if everything is able to stabilize and the dollar starts to come back down and yields start to come back down, then you're going to see Bitcoin and risk assets start to move back up, and then you'll actually see gold and silver start to move up as well. So actually, gold and silver are actually getting really nice moves today. Gold was up again today in a very nice move, and then you saw silver getting a massive pump towards the upside today. I think it was up like something like 3 or 4% today, so 3.5%. But overall, it's been bouncing off the support level that I've outlined for many times. It's up like 9% now. So again, it's holding to this level of support. I really like to see silver doing this, but if the dollar keeps moving higher, then you're going to get lower silver prices. And if you get more recession talk, you're also going to get silver going down because it's not only a precious metal, it's an industrial metal. Okay. All right. I think that covers it for now. I don't really have any more updates for you guys. I'm just going to be posting my trades inside the Discord. And again, we're actually up 20% on the trade that we entered today. I used just a little bit of leverage, but Hayden actually upped it a little bit today. He was actually up to 20 leverage here, and he's up 74% on a Solana trade. So if you guys followed that, then congratulations, you're getting some amazing trade setups. And congratulations to the members who shorted STX as well the other day. You guys are bagging some amazing gains. I know it is, the market is not so favorable, especially after this drop. But you guys want to really join the Discord because you're getting amazing trade setups regardless of the market conditions. And only a few people are liking them and taking them. And it's kind of disappointing to see this because we're actually posting really good content inside the Discord in terms of trade setups. And the same thing goes for the stock trades, right? We're bagging some amazing gains. Like I closed an option today on gold, or a bear gold, and we actually took a 21% profit and a $460 gain on a gold option, or a bear gold option, right? And we closed a high risk trade the other day too at basically break even, so we didn't lose any money there. And these are all trade setups for you guys. I'm going to be posting the recap for the month of July. I've been going through a lot lately, through family events that have unfortunately occurred, and I've been very busy as well setting up the other YouTube channel. Which, by the way, there's another YouTube channel that I posted on my my Discord, and also I'll probably put it in the comments. But you guys can get 24/7 Bloomberg news on that channel, and I'm going to be posting my stock analysis and my essentially S&P 500. I'm going to be doing all my analysis there for that now. And this one I'll just probably stick to crypto. And for you guys, I'll do more crypto analysis. Like I'll do more altcoins and stuff like that, because usually I only cover BTC. Anyways, thanks for listening, guys. Love you all, and I'll talk to you guys later.